$15 into $281 here. That is a great return on investment, guys. Great return on investment. It's Kaseem here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Appreciate you for coming back. Happy New Year to you and your family. I just wanted to tell you that. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Tesla stock because I want to reflect back on the very first video that I did about on Tesla, my Tesla holdings, because I do a series on this channel where I talk about, I document my investment journey with Tesla on a regular basis. I strongly believe that Tesla is a company that is going to be worth trillions of dollars and is going to provide a huge investment opportunity for, individuals just like you and I. So I've been documenting my journey from like day one, right? So, but this video is not going to be a like my main review every week of my Tesla stock. It's not going to be that. I just want to share with you what got me started, and this is going to be the last time I'm going to share this video because that is something similar, my very first Tesla video, which I'm going to link on top of this video so you can check that video out. So today's video, we're going to look over what got me started, why I'm so excited about Tesla stock in general. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with Tesla as a company and their stock. So I just like to come on my channel and just share with you guys why is it that I'm so excited about this company. So let's get right into it without taking too long. Before we get into the video, I would like to just show you a section of the previous video that I did, my very first video when it comes to my investment journey in Tesla stock. And the reason why I want to do this is because it's to just share some perspective with you guys. So here's a video that I did where I did this October 8th of 2020, so a couple of months ago, and this is what I shared with you guys back then. This video will be linked in the cards if you want to go check it out. Just click on the cards above if you want to go check it out. Basically, you can see right here, I invested $15 into the stock, and just within a few months. So this was invested. This is a video, I can't really go into it. I'm gonna show you the actual portfolio in a bit, but this video was posted October 8th, and you can see it's 15 bucks that I invested in it, and literally that 15 bucks grew in this video anyways, grew to roughly about $141. Now this is huge. This is like 800%, right? This could have easily been 115,000. It could have easily been $1 million. It could have easily been $1, right? So depending on how much you have to invest, it could have easily been exactly that. But $15 turned into $141 right here. So now let me show you the actual portfolio now to share with you where it's at. This is it right here. That has grown to that $141 has literally grown into roughly about $280. That is a percent growth of 1,700% growth in the stock. This is crazy, right? This is like absolutely crazy numbers when it comes to investing. So here's the portfolio here. You can see that it's still $15 that I invested. I never really added any more money to it. I just kept it the same way, and it's at that $15 has grown to $281, from $15 to $281 in just one investment. The whole point of this video is for me to share with you, to let you know that investment, when you want to get started with investing, you don't have to have a lot of money. Like, we have a lot of great apps like Webull, M1 Finance, Stash, Robinhood that let you put the amount of money you have to put into the stock market. So if you're ever thinking about getting started and investing, I suggest you research companies. Use this video that you're watching as part of your research to research some of these companies, to, to get your conviction level up on them. And then once your conviction level is up, then you can decide to put a little bit of money in it, however much you want to put. As you guys can see right here, I turned $15 into $281 here. That is a great return on investment, guys. Great return on investment. If I go to transaction section here, you can literally see, let's see how all the transactions that I put in. Let's take a look at some of these transactions. My very first one was $5, then $2 and $5, and then it just kept on going like that. I think I probably sold at some point. I sold at some point, but $15 was left over. $15 was left over, and this was it right here. And that $15 is basically grown into a market value of $280. So this is very important. It's very important. The whole point of this video, what I'm trying to portray to you guys, is that start investing. Use the year 2020 to be the year that you're going to make a difference in your life, a difference in your investment journey. If you can invest $500 this year and your $500 grow to $600, well, you're $100 richer than last year. So trying to do something different this year. Put a little bit of money away. Put a little bit of money away and invest it, and just let it grow in good companies that you buy stuff from. If you have an iPhone, you should be invested in in Apple. If you have a PlayStation, you should be invested in Sony. If you have Xbox, you should be invested in Microsoft. It's very important that you take a little bit of money out of your paycheck and put it away into great investment. Now, don't take this information as investment advice. I'm not telling you what to invest in. Please don't take it as investment advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my money, like I always do with this channel. I share with you what I do with my money so you can have an idea and see that, listen, it's very important that you can, first of all, it's very important to put money away. Second of all, it's important to put money away, and at the same time, it's also important that you invest for the future. Because if you don't invest for the future, like 2020 taught us a lot that your job can be taken away at any time. Anything can happen at any time. So it's definitely important to invest, because if you invest, at least you have a little bit of cash cushion. And it's also, and when you invest, it's like you're planting seeds, right? You're planting seeds and you water the seed, and over time, your investment will grow. So the whole point of this video is that I wanted to share with you that it's okay to invest with little money. It's okay to invest with little money. It's not okay to not invest at all. Like not investing at all is not okay, because you're gonna get to a point in your life where you won't be able to work. We are humans, we're gonna get old at some point. You won't be able to work, and it's okay to put some money away, because if you don't, life is gonna be difficult at an older age. So it's like, I keep saying this, nowadays we have all these apps that you don't have to put, if Tesla stock is at $800, well, you don't have to put it $800 in. You can just put $20 in, you can put $30 in. That's what I'm doing with my Tesla updates that I share with you guys on a regular basis on this channel. So consider using some of my videos, watching some of my videos. Consider you look at that as research. See, so you can see what's possible when you invest with very little money. Because on this channel, I invest with very little money just to be able to relate to most people out there. Because I have friends and family that they want to know about investing, but they don't have a lot of money, and I keep telling them that, listen, you should invest even though you don't have a lot of money. Invest the little that you have. If you invest $5 every day over your lifetime, that is a lot of money in like 30-40 years. So the moral of this video is that if you don't invest and in the future you don't have any money or whatnot, you don't have anybody to blame but yourself, because you refuse to put money away when you have the ability to put it away when you're young. So I meet a lot of people with my job where they're like old and they don't have the strength, they don't have the ability to be able to work anymore. So they're old, they're relying on the state for money, and the state is not really giving them much money because the state don't have the money to give them. So try and put something aside for the future and just invest something. It's very, very important to invest something. Well, with that being said, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Consider giving this video a like. It helps push my channel out to other people. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, see you later. Bye.